Hey everyone, this video is regarding the demonstration of our DB project. So in this video I'll be explaining that what is the DB project, how you can use it, and how to build this project in your system, and how you can contribute to the project. Okay. So we in our project we defines different data models, or you say schema of the databases. Okay, so in Mongoose they are called collections. If you are using an SQL based ORM or database, that is called tables. Okay, so we define our database schemas in different files. Okay, so you can see we have card.js, order.js, and each file is defined the field name, the type, they have different validations. Okay, so imagine a scenario, you have so many data files, and if they have relationships, so many validations, so many constraints, you have to go to each file to check the validation that yes, properly it is applied or not, relationships are properly seen or not. So there is no any mechanism or thing that where you can see all your tables or schemas at one place. Okay, so this DB project does that thing. Okay, so how you can install it in your system? So in your project where you have models, okay, you install the DB drawer from npm using this command. Okay, npm install globally. So this project for now is only works globally. Soon we will add support for native support. Okay, so you hit the command and the tool will be installed within the system, and after that you hit the command db draw m. Okay, so when you hit the command, you see your all the schemas beautifully visualized here with their field names, with their data types, with their validations they have applied. Okay, so this is the main thing that the project does. Okay, so similarly, suppose if you are working with Sequelize, okay, let me show you. If you are like in this project, I have used Sequelize for creating my tables. Okay, so the same method applies here. You go and npm install globally db drawer. Okay, and for Sequelize we type db draw as db draw m for Mongoose and db draw s for Sequelize ORM. If you hit enter here, okay, you can't do the same thing. Okay, you have to drop the server of this server. Okay, yeah. So here if you type db draw as, see, it launched the server, and you can come here and see your all the fields, and these are visualized beautifully. So this is the idea behind the project of visualizing your data models at one place. So you can see all your tables at one place and relationships, and this project does not only visualize your data models, but also ensures that the constraints, the file you have written is syntactically and syntaxically correct. Okay, so this is the idea behind the DB project. Now how you can build this project in your own system and you can start contributing to the project. Okay, so you go to the repository of the DB drawer. Okay, you fork the repository, and after forking the repository you copy the URL. Okay, then in a terminal, it is just basic GitHub that you install a project. You add a git clone and paste the URL. Okay, and hit enter. After hitting enter, you cd to the project, or you can open the project with VS Code. Okay, this is the project, DB project which I have installed. Okay, after that you hit an npm install, so it will install all the dependencies. After that you need to install the DB project globally for development. Okay, for that you have to hit npm install -g only. Okay, after you hit it, it will install the project for your local development. Okay, now you also need a project, a supporting project, or a project to test the DB drawer where your data models have been defined. Okay, so this is a project where we have Sequelize ORM based tables, okay, written in JavaScript, and for Mongoose we have this project. I have Mongoose ORM Okay, so after that what you do, you just write the command here, db draw m. Okay, m for mongoose, s for, after hitting enter. Okay, the server is running, I think again previous server is running. You close it. Yeah, so close it. So suppose in mongoose you write db, okay, so it is on, I think is we are on the SQLize server. Yeah, so db draw as for SQLize. Okay, just hit enter and you can go and you can see here. Okay, now you want to make changes and add some feature to the project. Okay, so you go to this db draw project and suppose for I want to update a view file for SQLize. Okay, so I just went there and suppose I want to change this color from yellow to suppose pink or blue. Okay, so you just make the changes here, save, and you see, okay, it is may not seen. Okay, so suppose I want to change this allow null. Okay, so how, suppose I want to change this something like suppose I want to change this blue color, that is I think this primary key. Okay, suppose let's change, I want to change this primary key to red color. Okay, this pink color. So you just make the changes and save, and you go to the browser, you see primary key, all the primary key constraint values has been changed. So this is how you can make changes and contribute to the project, but always create a new branch and then make changes and then trace the PR. Okay, so this is how you can contribute to this project, and I'll be making one more video where I will explain the control flow of the project, how the project is working, how the control flow is going, what each, explaining each folder and file structure. Okay, so you can contribute.